Our first collision is elastic with one moving. We'll start with glider 2 at rest in the middle of the track. We'll push SparkView's play. Don't go through there. We'll send glider 1 in. It gets red. We'll stop. We can see gate 1 shows the velocity 1 and gate 2 shows velocity 2. And we can see that our two velocities turned out to be exactly the same. You'll have to remember that velocity 1 was before the collision, and before the collision, glider 2 was actually at rest. After the collision, you'll note that glider 1 stopped, so it didn't have another velocity, and glider 2 continued on through gate 2, and so this is the velocity of glider 2 after the collision.